Catching the man, the myth, the legend, Walter Zolna, organizer of the Meetup.
I have the whole back you can do. Or you can even sign right by your...
Look at this.
Super fan.
Look at this. The only book I ever sold to Darcy. How are you?
Good.
Good. Nice to finally meet you.
I know.
Yeah.
I feel like I know you already.
Seriously. It's like, I feel like I'm with a lot of these people. You watch them every week and
Right.
all
That's
that kind of stuff. So yeah.
Most people, I'm like, I know who you are.
Awesome. Yeah, this is already considerably larger than last year here. I just met another old dude on the trail. So that was the logo. Yeah. Beard's in the way. All right, so one of the guys I really wanted to meet here after watching all of his videos and the Alaskan cruise video, which I was really jealous about, and hopefully use some of those tips on my upcoming cruise. Here is Bill from Maxim Outdoors. He is a Western Pennsylvanian.
Yep.
It's good to
Repping
see.
the West.
Good to see Yins out here.
Yeah, Yins.
Right?
Yeah, absolutely. Pleasure to meet Ryan here, and looking forward to having a really fun day with a bunch of awesome creators.
Yeah.
Thanks to Walter. So
tried to hook up a couple times so far, and it's kind of fallen through, my fault. And but yeah, anytime I go west or he goes east, we're supposed to let each other know.
yeah, we're gonna link up one of these days and do a trail.
Definitely.
Maybe backpacking, maybe
Cook up
McConnell's
something
Mill,
good.
but yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah, I'd be
looking
down with
forward
that. So. All right, man. Well, good to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Thanks,
All right.
Ryan.
All right, I'm here with Tony from Random Adventures 2.0. My hands full this time. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. But yeah, we met Tony last year, and unfortunately, it's been a whole year since I've seen the guy. But I see him every week on YouTube, where you can find all of us. But what do you have for summer plans there, Tony?
It's random.
Well, I'd expect nothing less.
Right, a lot of stealth camping, just looking for new locations to camp and stuff like that, and just out enjoying nature and having fun. Yeah.
How do you come up with your ideas on locations?
Believe it or not, just driving. Like once you do it, you only
Just see
look
something,
for it.
make a note, and
Yeah, and you got to get there. If you're going to do it, you almost got to get there within the next month because it will change. I went to one place the other day. I was going to do one. All the trees were cut down.
Oh,
I was
no.
like, oh,
All your
gotta do
stealth
something
was
different.
gone, right?
Yeah. So
Oh,
I had
man.
to change up. But, with being able to car camp and hammock camp and things like that, lots of options.
Awesome. Tony's channel is awesome. Random Adventures 2.0. He goes live just about every Sunday night. Every Sunday night. Yeah, so give Tony a shot. He is an interesting fellow and fun to watch.
Well, see ya.
All right, guys, we're here with Ryan and Rachel and William and Sarah from Mountains to
Mountains
Intimate. Every time.
My shirt's wrong too. So.
Oh, no. That's why I did it last time. Yeah. No. Mountains into Memories. They have a great YouTube channel. They RV a lot and go on crazy trips and everything. Where are you going this summer, guys?
We're doing Michigan this summer.
Michigan.
So we're excited to hike in a new state and
Awesome.
see some new state parks and
Love it.
all kind of stuff. So
Love it.
And then a lot of West Virginia stuff later in the year. So
Okay. Awesome, man. Sarah is a trooper. Are you looking forward to all the hiking this summer? Yeah. What's your favorite part about trips?
Playing random games.
Doing pools. Nice. There's a pool here. Are you in the pool here? You are? Awesome. All right. Mountains into Memories. Make sure you check them out and like and subscribe. They have really good content, and I wish my family would pony up for the RV and hit the road too. So yeah.
I'll bribe them into it.
We talk about it, back off, talk about it, back off, so who knows. All right, thanks guys.
Thanks.
This is phenomenal. There are at least 25 people, maybe 30 here. I don't know that any other state has something like this where all the hikers and YouTubers kind of get together and work together too. Like the point of this is that we can set up collabs and brainstorm on ideas and bring everybody really good, interesting content. And it's awesome to hike with friends, It's so awesome to have somebody out there, safety-wise, but also just sociable things. Man, we all have something in common here, which makes it awesome. Nobody's gets weird when you start filming because they're doing it too. You just gotta have a code word so you don't film over each other. So this is really, really awesome. This is really good to see all the people here. Okay, so we're here with Craig Capel. We met last year, which was awesome, and I don't know, a lot of these people I expect to hopefully see again during the year, so maybe this year we can work on something together. But Craig does some really beautiful videos, a lot of drone footage, a lot of artistic shots that I think are amazing. But I'm jealous of some of the trips you just took here, man. What can you tell us about those?
Yeah, we just got back from Utah, where we went to all 5 national parks. I still have 2 more videos I have to put out. I think I got a total of 9 or 10 videos on that trip. Utah is just absolutely beautiful.
It's like another planet.
It
right?
really is. Like
Yeah.
the rock formations. I've always wanted to see, you know, those kind of, you know, ever since I was a little kid. My dad used to watch the old westerns, you know, and I've always was just fascinated about how the, you know, just the land was out there. But, you know, most of my stuff is here in Pennsylvania. That's where I live. And next month we got a trip planned for Colorado, so we're going to be driving around Colorado, filming. We're going to try and hit all 4 national parks, and who knows, maybe some other stuff too. So
Wonderful.
thank you.
All right. Good to see you again, Craig.
All right, thank you very much.
Check out Craig Capel.
Thank you.
All right, if you watch my channel, you know Day Hike Dave here. He has been on our, we went on the Throne Room hike with him on the Standing Stone Trail, and I finally met him last year at the meetup. But what do you have on tap this summer, Dave?
Oh my, you name it, we got it on tap. Lots of little hikes. Hopefully taking the grandson along on a lot of them.
Awesome, awesome.
We got a backpacking hike coming up with Bill Maxim from Maxim Outdoors.
I've heard
and
about
the Wandering Woodsman.
Heard about him.
Stay tuned
a lot of walk
for that
bys.
We're gonna hike
with Bill and Cliff. Awesome.
Yes, we're gonna hike a piece of the Gap Trail.
Oh, nice. The Gap Trail.
I picked this one, a nice, easy, flat.
There you go.
Railroad
after Dolly Sod, you picked a nice flat level. Okay.
You got
non-rocky.
Yeah.
Okay.
You feeling me?
I feel you.
Yep.
Longest thing I ever did was the 27 miles with Walter last year on the old loggers path. That was up and down, up and down.
I don't know if I could do that one.
Yeah, I've never done 30, so you're better than me already. So awesome. Watch Day Hike Dave. A lot of awesome Pennsylvania hikes, and just a great dude.
It's like 9:15 right now, so basically what I had planned here was about a 3-mile hike from here along the lake to the historic district. There is a Blue Ball, it's called the Blue Ball Tavern. It's a little museum, and they're supposed to open it up, the Perry County Historical Society is supposed to open it up for us at 10 o'clock, so we can get a little private tour. If you can, I think they operate purely on like donations. If you have $1 in your pocket. What do you think, Darcy?
This is great.
All right.
We're just gonna follow this guy.
A little bit of blue sky.
This is my man, Traveling Ron Man. Ron, you have had quite the year. What have you been up to?
Oh, well, you know, just getting married, going to Chile. Yeah, it's been a wonderful year, and I also just started a new job too. So it's been a whirlwind of emotions. But
amazing.
It's been a great year, though. I'm really fortunate that I'm able to do everything I am, and see all these beautiful places.
Upcoming videos to look forward to?
Upcoming videos. So I had a trip to Shenandoah National Park.
Ooh.
So that'll be out next couple of weeks. I stayed in a caboose on an Airbnb, so I did a review of that. So stay tuned for that.
Very nice.
And did some hiking up in the Rowan Highlands in North Carolina, up in the mountains. So those videos will be coming out shortly in the next few weeks. So stay tuned.
You do get around. Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yeah. So.
All right, Traveling Ron Man, check him out.
Yep.
So our YouTube meetup is here at Little Buffalo State Park. We're near Newport, Pennsylvania in Perry County. It is unknown how the name Little Buffalo came about, but Little Buffalo Creek and the adjacent ridge, Buffalo Ridge, run through the park. So the land over the years was occupied by many American Indian tribes and nations for a short period of time. They were migrating away from white settlers. The Albany Purchase of 1754 acquired the land from the Iroquois Six Nations, and the park area was gradually settled after the Revolution. So eventually Little Buffalo State Park opened its gates to the public on June 11th, 1972. Clay's Covered Bridge here at Little Buffalo, originally built in 1890. It's an 82-foot long bridge. It originally was located a mile west of here. The bridge was moved when they dammed up Little Buffalo Creek and formed Holman Lake. So Clay's Covered Bridge here is one of 14 in Perry County, here in Pennsylvania, where we have the most covered bridges in the country. I just learned that fact the other day, actually. Schoaf's Mill has the largest water wheel east of the Mississippi. That is a big wheel. Schoaf's Mill was built in 1840 and was an active mill until 1940. It is still active though. It's been renovated, it's back in operation. They mill cornmeal, cracked corn, and grinding apples for cider during educational programs here at the state park. So big beautiful mill, nice building here, and it's good that they still do demonstrations. All right, so we're here at the Blue Ball Tavern. The tavern offered food and drink and a sleeping loft for travelers. Local people met at the tavern to gossip and exchange news. It's rumored that the Blue Ball Tavern was a meeting place in 1821 where they planned out Perry County. For unknown reasons, the tavern closed in 1841. The current farmhouse was built in 1865 on the foundation of the tavern. The tavern opened in 1811. So why the name Blue Ball? Apparently, when the tavern was filled to capacity, the owners hung a blue ball outside. The blue ball was to let everyone know that no one else could possibly come in. So I went in the visitor center just now to use the restroom. There was a woman there with a pet duck. The duck was walking around the visitor center. And now I come outside and the group is getting a private tour of the Blue Ball.
Found the Lord and decided to stop serving hard alcohol. He still took in boarders, but by that point, you know, Newport was in place. There were other bars and taverns people could go to drink. He just took in lodgers. I don't.
A lot of Native Americans that, oh my gosh,
There's sort of a museum now that's set up inside the Blue Ball Tavern, or the building that replaced it. Rests on the foundation. But
a grinding stone. Wow, mortar and pestle.
That's old.
Some of these are about 2,000 years old.
Yeah, so we're with Sarah from Hiking Outdoor Family. You are such a wonderful commenter on everybody's videos, like very insightful and like, yeah, I try to keep up with all that and everything like that, but your videos are terrific too. I'm not too far from the Delaware border, and you do a lot of stuff down there, so I'm always making like mental lists of things to do. But what's coming up this summer?
Not too much. Some trips to the beach and stuff like that, and then the next big trip will be Great Basin National Park in September.
Where is that?
In Nevada.
Nevada, okay.
4.5 hours from Las Vegas, but
awesome.
So haven't heard of it much, but it seems like kind of a hidden gem as far as hiking and stuff. So
great.
I'll be showing that on the channel.
Awesome. Yeah. Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. All right, so Little Buffalo is a gorgeous park, very busy park, but it is gorgeous. It is, I was here 5 years or so ago, and I did hike here It's before I had my channel, so I always counted in my completed state parks number, but I guess we're now YouTube official, having filmed here. Oh man, I had to pull over here. I was having so much fun at the meetup that I forgot to do an outro. Just left Little Buffalo State Park. What a good time. Thank you, Walter Zolna, for setting that up. Check out his channel. Check out the list below of all the fine, wonderful people that were at this meetup today. This is a really special thing that we have in Pennsylvania for hiking YouTubers and everything like that. I don't know of any other state that has such a thing, but this is fantastic. It's good to see everybody, and hopefully this leads to some more collabs and hanging out and having fun with each other during the year. So this was great. If you like what I and all these other folks are doing, check the list below, like, subscribe, ring that bell. We'll see you next time.